On December 20th, 2024, Mountain Home, Arkansas police were dispatched to the Veterans Center after reports of a man refusing to leave the property for breaking house rules. When officers arrived, the individual refused multiple commands, leading to a physical struggle. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Hello.
Hello. I'm sorry to bother you, but this one won't listen to me at all.
This one here?
No, not this one.
Okay.
The one that's in here in the bed.
Okay.
You got the same problem with your head that I do. God, it gets cold.
Yes, it does.
He's violated every rule we've got in the book. And I can't even get him to get out of the bed.
Okay.
Tells me I keep telling him he can sleep. Cops are here.
What are you doing in here?
What's up?
Well, this young lady here said that you're violating their rules and they can't be having that.
No, this is my headquarters.
Your headquarters.
Yes.
Headquarters for what?
My space of operation. I have right for reclaim. What brings you here?
You bring me here.
Oh, well, how can I help you?
Well, you can get up and do what they tell you to do because you don't own this place.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, you gonna do anything about that or no?
Well, my hours start in about an hour. So.
For what?
My sleep.
Your hours start in about an hour for what?
Well, it's my place of operations. So.
Is this his name here?
Mm-hmm.
Kyree Murphy. Mr. Murphy,
What's up, man?
they want you to get out.
What? I think we had an agreement before you left.
No, we had no agreement because you wouldn't get out of the bed.
I know, I went back to it. So I can do that. Sorry.
So you want him to leave the property?
Huh?
Does he need to leave the property?
Yeah, because he won't
Okay.
follow the rules.
All right, Mr. Murphy, you need to grab your stuff and get out.
Well, my place of operations starts in an hour. So.
You can get out now, or you can probably visit the jail for a while, for more than an hour.
I don't think so. What's that?
You don't know what that is?
What is that?
Out of bed. There's another officer out there. Could you go ahead and let him in for me unless he's coming in?
Yeah.
So now, you leave your hand in front
Mr. Murphy, you're not being reasonable with them and they asked you to do something and you're not doing that.
All right, listen here, guys. This is my place of operations and headquarters.
That makes no sense.
It makes perfect sense to me.
Well, maybe to you, but not to anyone else. So you need to gather
Why you say
your
that?
things. Because I have no clue what you're talking about. So you need to
I have
gather
no
your
clue
things.
what you're talking about either then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gather your things and you need to leave the property.
This is my space of operations. Guys, come on.
You own it?
Come on.
Do you own it?
Come on.
Do you own it?
I claimed it.
Well, that's not working.
It worked.
You want him to leave the property?
Yes.
You need to leave the property now.
I love this. Come on, guys. Come on. Sorry. My place of operations, I start an hour.
Nope, nope.
Yourself.
You can leave the property or you'll go to jail.
Or you go to jail.
No, 777.
Nope, nope, nope. Mr. Murphy.
Sir.
Nope,
Sir.
don't.
Sir.
Put your hands behind your back for me.
Sorry, guys.
Put
I'm
your
going
hands-
to resist. I'm going to have to do this. Nope.
Okay,
I'm going to have to resist, sir.
all right. Let's go.
You're going to taste! You're going to taste! Get arms!
You want another one?
Don't, you're slapping me. Be still, dude. Be still. Go ahead and cuff.
Get it on there. Change this fast taser before.
How stupid, dude.
Say here. Don't try no
Again?
shit. Don't try no shit.
Again?
Don't try no stupid bud.
No.
You guys good?
Taser deployed.
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah.
We should never hear from him.
That was a good shot. I was like, he's gonna give me the leg. Okay. That's good.
That was good, guys.
That's good.
That was good.
That was great. Alright. You gotta keep being stupid.
Thank you, guys.
What's your deal today, man?
Let's walk him out.
I'm just here to understand how to be a part of something, understand my surroundings.
Okay. Let's walk.
Come on. Stand up. Okay. Thank you guys.
There's another one in the plane right there.
Yes,
Thank you guys.
Right down here.
Where? You
We
guys
are
good?
10th.
You good?
We're 15.
Yeah, fine.
Careful.
Alright.
Walk. Walk. You don't miss. Yep. Thank you, Mama.
I bring his stuff down to the jailhouse.
Well, you can pack it up and
want me to take
set
it?
it somewhere. They won't take it at the jailhouse.
You got shoes in there?
Yeah, I got some shoes.
Wick's car?
Yeah.
Right over here, bud. Nope. Nope. Back up. You're in checking for any. I mean, nothing on you, right, bud?
Yeah, all my belongings.
In there?
Yes, sir.
They got bags or something, or what all we need to get? I'm assuming they're gonna let you come back here.
Yeah. So,
All in that room?
just get my pen. Just get my pen. Just
Get
my
your
pen.
what?
Just get my pen, my weed.
Your pen? Okay.
My
All
weed. Yeah.
right, watch your foot, bud.
It took 3 of them to get him down. I was probably in trouble if I tried to
It happens.
handle him. Thank you so much.
Well, I'm glad I rolled up now, because I just,
Bed frame.
I was coming in here easy. Guys just chilling out here. I opened that door, he opens the door for me, and I hear kind of rustling around. I didn't hear no one say nothing, but I was like, kind of sounds like fighting. I come jogging in, I'm like, yeah, they're fighting.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a fighting.
7 PTSD or something.
I don't know what his name's Kyree Murphy. I've never dealt with him before. But yeah, this is my area of operation, and I don't begin for another hour.
Poor guy.
So anyway,
How old a fella is he?
I have no idea.
He looks young.
Yeah, he's younger, probably in his 20s.
Fun fact, someone's getting tased by that taser, you too get electrocuted.
Are you ready?
I am ready. How are they?
Well, he was a little uppity a while ago. We had to tase him, so
Oh, see,
a little uppity. All right, Mr. Murphy, if I get you to step out for me. Follow this young lady to that door.
Hey,
how's it going?
Are you doing okay?
I've got some braces.
Okay. If I take them off, are you going to be okay? Huh?
Thank you, sir. Yeah, we're
Alright. This way, man.
All I had was orange juice for like a week straight.
I'm like, why is it not?
All I had was orange juice for like a week straight.
Orange juice?
That is insane.
I like orange juice.
Kyree Murphy was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. His bond was set at $760. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.